Good morning. Welcome to Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, September 21st, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we're having breakfast Hot Pockets. For lunch should be chicken bites. Tomorrow for breakfast should be waffle and cheese omelet, and lunch chicken fried beef patty. Today, attendance. Teachers, please make sure you are posting your attendance to Schoology. We have still quite a few that are forgetting to post, so if you can find a friend in your classroom to be your attendance reminder, that's a great idea. Also, masks. Everyone is required to wear masks. Students, these are part of your uniform. It is your duty to bring it with you to school each day. Late duty today is going to be Miss Weaver, tomorrow Miss Washam, Thursday Miss Wolf, and Friday Miss Thoman. Important dates. Today we have the blood drive on campus. The blood bus is out front for parents and adults that would like to donate blood today. That would be great. Tomorrow we have PST meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is teacher work day. That means no school for students. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. We are still taking those envelopes for the school fundraiser. So students, you go online and you do the information online, and they will give you a prize code when you've met the criteria. You write that on your envelope, you bring it back, we check the code, and we will put the prize in the envelope and return it to you. We still have people turning those in, so that's awesome. You can use the school store site all throughout the school year. So keep bringing those folders in to collect your prize. Word of the day is equal groups. I know I've heard my second and third grade friends talk about equal groups a whole lot in their classroom, so they could probably tell you a lot about equal groups. Equal groups are groups that contain the same number of objects. Whenever you divide, you separate items into equal groups. So in this example, it looks like we have apples. We have 3 groups of apples because there's 3 circles. And there are 3 equal groups of 5 apples in each group. So each circle has 5 apples. Those are equal groups of 5 in each group. So equal groups, that's our word of the day. I have a shout out today. Shout out to Zalante Hollins in Miss Barnes' class. And this one is from me. I saw it with my own 2 eyes. I was down with Miss Barnes and some of the 5th grade teachers yesterday morning, and as I was coming out of Miss Barnes' room, Solante saw the cafeteria ladies coming by to pick up the trash from breakfast, and before they could even get to the trash bags, he picked up those heavy trash bags and loaded them in to the big rolling dumpster, so those sweet ladies did not have to pick up those heavy trash bags. That was super sweet of him and going the extra mile to help out. Kindness counts always, so shout out to Zalante for being an extra great helper yesterday. Miss Barnes also told me that he happened to find someone's glasses that they had lost and was trying to get them back to the owner, and was able to locate the student that they belong to, and she was very happy to have her glasses back. So Zalante is killing it out there, spreading kindness everywhere in 5th grade. So be like Zalante, be kind to your friends, help others out. Shout out to him. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.